plans to expand London's ultra-low emission zone have been ruled lawful. A judge here at the High Court ruled against the 5 Conservative-led councils challenging Mayor of London Sadiq Khan. Khan, meanwhile, has welcomed the decision, calling it good news. ULEZ charges drivers £12.50 per day if their vehicle falls below emission standards within the zone. Khan is planning to expand it from central London to the whole of Greater London. Simon Forthrop, one of the councillors taking Khan to court, said he's disappointed with the verdict.
However, I will say there are options still available to us. We'll be discussing those and looking at what those are, and we will be not giving up the fight. I can assure you, on the behalf of our residents in Bromley and the other 5 boroughs, we will continue to oppose this. We will continue to fight it.
He said it's the poorest who will be affected the most. Transport for London says 9 out of 10 cars seen driving in outer London on the average day comply with the ULEZ standards. But figures obtained by the RAC show more than 690,000 licensed cars in the whole of London are likely to be non-compliant. Fairfuel UK founder Howard Cox said ULEZ will make business owners leave London.
You're not going to get a plumber going on the underground with all these tubes and copper piping and all these ladders and all that sort of thing. It's not going to happen. And he can't afford to buy a brand new electric car, an electric van. Electric vans, electric cars are not practical whatsoever.
Susan Hall, the Conservative candidate for London Mayor, said ULEZ will leave everyone suffering.
I'm deeply disappointed, and so will Londoners be, because Londoners do not want this. Well, if you know about the ULEZ expansion, the Mayor's own impact assessment said it wouldn't make any difference to air quality. So all this is a £200 million tax grab from this dreadful Mayor who will not listen to Londoners.
Councillor Forthrop similarly said ULEZ is not about air quality, but fundraising.
About £200 million a year for 3 years, but then according to his own figures, by 2027 it disappears. So therefore, what's coming? Paper Mile is next, and we know that, and that'll be the next thing that he'll be running out. And that's why we've got to stop this in its tracks.
Alan Miller, co-founder of the Together Association, said the results of the court case will mean Khan will double down on ULEZ.
He's obviously going to get the wind behind his sails now. He's going to want to carry on. We're saying that he's completely ignored the majority already, and he's going to hear much more from all of us. We're committed to campaigning against this. We're not just going to roll over.
He noted that Labour leader Sir Keir Starmer told Khan to reflect on the scheme. Malcolm Hudson, NTD News, London.